This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Today I'm going to show you a really neat trick in Google Slides, adding a drop shadow to an image. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. And by the way, this is the same in a Chromebook, Mac OS, Windows PC. Just try to open up the Slides file in Google Drive, which is Google's recommended browser for this. So I have this image here. It looks just kind of flat, and it's just a screenshot. But what I want to do is I want to create a shadow that kind of goes around the edge here. Gives it a little bit of a 3D appearance, and it looks kind of cool. This is how to do it. So first thing you need to do is select the image. So I've done that, and then look for the tab that says Format Options. If you don't see it, go to the menu that says Format and select Format Options, and you'll see along the right side here, one of them says Drop Shadow. So I just selected that checkbox, and you can see the shadow appeared next to it. So doesn't that look pretty cool? And if I want to, I can adjust it. So I just have the drop down next to drop shadow, and let's say that I want to make the distance even further, so it stretches out even more. I can do that. Maybe that's a little bit too much, so I'm gonna change that and do it a bit less. That looks pretty good. You can adjust blur radius. So each one of these different sliders does a different thing, but you can see that looks pretty cool. The other thing you can do is you can apply a drop shadow to more than one image at the same time. So right now, this one has a drop shadow, but this one does not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select both of them just by dragging over both of them, and I'm going to select the checkbox that says drop shadow, and you can see it appeared on the one on the right. And if I deselected it, they'd both disappear. So I select it again, and the drop shadow appears, and I can make more adjustments using these sliders. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com, check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It also covers Google Slides. Thank you so much for watching.